Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to change your air filter in a 2015 Subaru Outback with a 2.5. Don't forget, if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. So the air box is located on the engine compartment on the passenger side. So you have your airflow tube, mass airflow sensor, and under here is your air filter. So there's two, like what we call butterfly clips. You just grab the expanded part, lift up, get them out of the way. And then down below there are hooks. So this cover gets mounted in at a hook angle. So you're going to push the top part out and lift it up. Now you have clearance, and you can grab that air filter, pull it right out, grab the new one, and place it right in. Let it sit down in. I'm going to grab the bottom part, make sure you line up the ears on the bottom. So once you get the ears on the bottom lined up, you can squeeze the lid tight, get the butterfly clips, push them down by putting on the expanded part, just extend that, there you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.